Today we're going to be comparing Joseph's adjustable rolling pins, which come in these sizes, versus Wilton's rolling pin guides. So I've unboxed the rolling pin and the guides come nicely stored. I'm just going to unscrew the end to release the guides. In previous videos, I've explained the importance of having uniform cookies, especially if you're doing professional cookies. You want a professional look, so you want to make sure all of your cookies are even. So this is why we need some type of a guide. We're going to start off with the first guide, which is a 3/8 guide. And this is just what the height will look like. So I think this will be a good fit. So they come in millimeters. This is 10 millimeters. And 3/8 of an inch, so whichever size you're accustomed to. This one is a 6 millimeter and it's a 1/4 inch. This one is a 1/6 of an inch, and this one is the 1/16 of an inch. So I think I like this red one, which is the 1/4 inch. Let's test this out. So we're going to screw this back in. And we want to make sure it's secure. Now we're going to have the other side match. So we finally have both sides with the same red or 1/4 inch, and we're going to test it out using our cookie mix here. And it's pretty smooth so far. It still hasn't reached the table. So now I feel that it's reached the table, so it's just a matter of evening out our cookie batter. Make sure you get the ends because they're usually a little thicker from all the rolling in the middle. Now we're going to try these Wilton guides on a traditional rolling pin and see how I can get these on here. I may have to remove the handle in order to get these on, so let me try that. So I'm back. I removed the handle. Now I'm going to try to get these guides over, and these are kind of firm. Let me try a different size. Yeah. Maybe if I put it in the handle. Let's try that. I feel like once I have it on one side, it keeps slipping off the other. So I think I may have it. Okay. Let's try this. Let's try doing the other side now. So I'm going to slide it in, and hopefully this one will be easier. I guess not. This is a challenge to try to get these bands on. I think I got it now. Okay, perfect. So let's try to put the rolling pin back together. I don't think this is gonna work. Yep, nope. It doesn't even reach my table, so it's pointless. Yeah, not working. Let's try putting these bands on our other rolling pin and see if that'll work. Maybe my rolling pin is a little too big. So let's try that. Still challenging to put these on, but it went a little smoother. So this might actually work out. So let's do the other side. So now let's test it out. I have a cookie dough here. And okay, pretty smooth. It's finally reached the table, and yeah, I like it. I feel like it's a little bit wobbly compared to the other one. The other one's more secure, but it does do the job. So these rings come in 3/16 of an inch, an 1/8 of an inch, and a 1/16 of an inch, which are kind of similar to the other one, but the other one came with 4 different sizes, where this one only has 3 different sizes. So the winner of this battle is this Joseph adjustable rolling pin. I like it because it's an all-in-one, and for one price you get both the rolling pin and the actual adjusters. If you're in the market for a rolling pin and you don't have one, then I would definitely go with this one. If you have a rolling pin which will fit the bands, because I couldn't fit it over my traditional rolling pin, then the bands are a good option. Now, the price is not much difference between our rolling pin and the guides. So again, price-wise and value, I would definitely go with the Joseph's adjustable rolling pin. And I think that's the winner. So if you like this video and you would like to subscribe to our channel, please do so. We will be doing giveaways next week, so be sure to check out for those.